Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. It's about 68 degrees, so I wish I didn't have shorts on, but I have a long sleeve shirt on and I'm not going to freeze. This is going to be part 2. I did this really cool Starburst, and then I think I continued on to add some gold lines because I wasn't so sure that I was all that pleased with it. But it looks very carnival or fair art or whatever you have. And I have a couple of small bottles, one of which has my gold mica powder available on the Amazon link that I mixed up in it. And I'm very tempted to go ahead and see what happens if I add some lines, because I can. Oh, that's the name of my book. Anyway, so I'm not seeing that the gold is doing anything so wonderful for me that I'm too worried about what happens to it. But I am just going to throw, oh, my baby red spiders. Goodbye, baby red spiders. So I just want to, I want to add a few more gold lines to make the design that's there a little more cohesive. And I don't know how that's going to work. I'd like to just cover it with gold lines, to tell you the truth. Because there's a lot of things I like about it. I keep thinking I'm going to do something to it, and then every time I look at it, I'm like, okay, I'm okay with that. But it's so primitive looking. It's like very folk art for sure. And I like folk art, so I'm not too worried about that. I am thinking that it would be kind of cool if I kept my hand out of that. Fresh paint over here. Yes, that would be cool. That's always been a problem for me. So I'm just giving that a squeeze. This is, I haven't tried these little squeeze bottles. I have them on the Amazon link, and I'm going to order a whole bunch of them because I want to do some filigree work. And I think this is the way to go. And we're going to find out how that works in a second. Also, I think I am just going to keep right adding the lines I wanted to, even to the point of running out of paint, but I don't think I'm going to. I like shiny, what can I say? Sometimes, you know, I understand the people's affectation with glitter. I can't quite go to glitter, but I can definitely go to metallic. I originally started using metallic paints because I wanted to do resin and I couldn't afford it at the time. Now I don't have the time. I still hope to do it. I have resin supplies, and I need to buy some more resin. It's specific in Florida to a certain time of year when I can open the windows here, and the pollen isn't horrendous, and I'm not going to be making a huge air conditioning bill. I'm just going around the outside edge of this, just finishing up. I'm not even sure it matters, other than outlining things consistently sort of the same way. I like the idea of all those little lines. Go from folk art to more folk art. Oh, I missed a spot. I'm going to take my black that I think I showed you guys. This is going a long way. I will be playing with these bottles again over time. This was a gift from Patricia Himmelberger, one of my students here. She has her own channel, Couples Painting I think it's called, I'm not sure. She and her husband have taken what she learned from me and run with it, and they're having a good time working together. Shout out to Patricia and John. I know it took me a while. My first year was a long first year. I did a lot of paintings that, well, let's just say I had a ratio. And when I look at them, some of them are great, and a lot of them I wish I could just paint right over again. Even though they weren't bad at the time, and even though they might not be bad for someone else, I really wasn't terribly impressed with them when I saw them again. I do want to just keep doing that. And I'm not sure. Oh, I've got squirrels playing. I can hear things, leaves shuffling. They can hear me too, evidently. Yeah, that's different. Trying to take the time to not miss any spots. I think I have all of the gold lines that I need there. And a cramp in my hand from squeezing the bottle. But I really want to try this other. I want to make sure it's shaken. And I think I'm in trouble because I think that's black fluid acrylic, not with pouring medium. So I'm afraid that that's going to come out so quickly. Okay, I got to try it. I've been looking at this and thinking about this too long not to try it. I'm not sure it's an improvement. Pretty sure it's not an improvement, actually. But you know me, I'm stubborn. I find a way to make things work. I think if I'm quick enough, I can keep a massive excess from coming out. I can hope so. I've got cute little curly cues in there. It's definitely still very primitive. It's gonna be primitive too, but like I said, I don't really mind that. I'd like to keep my hand out of the gold. And keep moving quickly enough to surround my little purple dots. We'll see what it looks like in the end, I guess, together. Like I said, folk art and primitive. Not so sure about that black dot there, but let's see what happens. I'm going to take my rag, my wet rag. I suppose worst case scenario, I can always add a gold center at some point in the future. Because that's not working. Just need to get some of that excess right up off of there. There, that'll be a little better, I think. Take my bamboo skewer and put it in there and confuse the issue a little bit. That makes a different thickness, and I'm okay with that. And I can put little black dots in, and I'm okay with that too. And it makes me want to do something around the outside. We'll see what happens. It was meant to be very, very much like filigree, but I'm not sure what you would call it now. The never shown video. It's got a sharp edge on the side of its distribution nozzle, so if I'm not careful, I dig right in. I think I need to even out. Whoops. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was kind of a prophetic drop, if ever there was one. Just going to take my bamboo skewer. It's got a ball of paint on the end of it, so it's not very sticky. It's not sticking into my canvas. Yeah, that's primitive. Okay then. Just going to keep using that very, very light and inky fluid acrylic. It's meant for airbrush, by the way. Maybe. Yes, I think so. If I can find some more of those turquoise dots, I can even out where the eye flows. Although that right there seems to be more than I want to have right there. That's a little better. Should be called Nobody's Perfect. I'm always saying I don't have to share with you guys if I don't like my results. And I'm not sure that that isn't this exactly. But it does occur to me that I don't have to leave it however it is. I can always come back tomorrow and drop a little gold here or there or everywhere in my less than round center. Or I could do it now just to see how it looks. I don't think it would benefit the black edge that I've created much. I don't know, it could be kind of fun. I think this one dot here and that one dot there are probably going to get the gold treatment. And otherwise, as I usually threaten to tell you guys, there are 450 other videos at the end, on the end screens at the end of this video. And I would expect that if I share this just like it is, you know what, I just need to know. What do I need to know? I need to know. I need to know what's going to happen if I go down the side of everything. Now I start back in the other direction. Committing folk art atrocities. I just really wanted to make those black lines. I think that can go too. That one was not correct. Just touching where they join, which seems to have worked okay. Everybody's entitled to play. This is that for me. I could go back in. Is that still working? I don't know. The lost folk art recording. I am adding some gold to the tip of the black. This is basically a Zentangle doodle with paint. And probably not nearly as precise. I'm not sure if it's as much fun either. It's definitely different. It's still kind of fun though. Okay, so it is what it is, and it was fun. And I'm going to try not to fret. And I'd like to put a little gold circle in the middle of that, because I can. Maybe because I can, I'm going to put a little orange circle in the middle of that gold one. And it didn't drip, which is pretty cool. So check my Amazon link under the video. What's going to happen if I put something over there? Oh, I can kind of fake it out. Cool. Let's grab a little more gold. Yep. Okay, well, welcome to my Zentangle experiment. Let's just keep adding those black dots, because they're supposed to be there. And now it's even. Sorta. No, I have it. I have all my dots now. And then some. Okay. It is what it is. It's cool. It's different. It's funky. It's definitely funky. It's not meant to be perfect, and guess what? It's not. I have accomplished my goal. I love you guys. I have around here somewhere crib sheet that will tell you what I was trying to tell you, which is in the last 20 seconds of this video. You will have the opportunity to see end screens, and I think I want to drop some gold into my black because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link, where you can also find the OXO omelet turning spatula, best paint spreading tool ever, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. Wait a minute, I said that wrong. Oh well, you'll figure it out. The gold mica powder is there. This is an experiment worth knowing about. Can I drop gold into the black fluid acrylic that doesn't have pouring medium in it, and what will happen? That was fun. I didn't think it was going to be fun for a minute. I know you guys are going to be gone, so I want to tell you thank you all for the contributions in the past that have kept me painting. Thanks for all the great comments, and if you want to contribute again, you will be included in a contest that runs every month for a name to be drawn that will win one of my artworks that I post. It hasn't happened yet, but it probably will have by the time this video comes out, so that's okay. I'm just still playing with my dots. Because I can, the name of the book. Oh, there's a missing one. There's a missing one too. Let's put something in there. I like to have it be somewhat uniform messy. Alright, so like I said, that was fun. Looks more like a sun/flower than ever before. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm sure whatever I forgot to tell you, you'll see in another video. Oh, watch as much as you can. It helps me immensely, and I really want your thumbs up. And you're probably gone anyway. Thank you for coming. See you soon. I know it was questionable, but it's done now, and it looks cool. Ha! You are still here. That's amazing. Okay, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying, I'll see you soon. Come back again. Check out some other videos. It helps me, and everything you do helps me. Every minute you watch, every time you check out my Facebook pages and my Facebook volumes and my Pinterest and my Instagram, it's all good. So you guys take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.